Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. The top 20 earning YouTubers that do plumbing videos. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. The main thing I want to tell you is that I think a lot of the YouTubers that are making videos are basically, it's like a charity operation that they're running, because they don't really gain much from it. And the little that they do gain, if anything, is very little for the amount of hours that they put in. First of all, I'll start off with the commercial gas engineer myself. Okay, I put in at least 2 hours into recording a week, at least 2 hours into editing. The editing's the worst part. It's probably more than that, 3 or 4 hours in cutting bits, errors that I make, and so on and so forth. Sometimes I even have to do some editing after I've published the video where there's an error that I didn't spot. Thumbnails can take at least 2 hours to 3 hours as well. So that's basically the book cover. Also, publishing can take at least 2 hours because you have to prepare the video to publish it. So you have to add tags and things that you're going to put in the description and so on. And then also replying to messages. So when subscribers or viewers send a message, you need to reply to them. That's at least 2 hours, and another 2 hours or so into preparing a video and even doing some research for the video as well. So at least 12 hours I spend into YouTube a week, 12 to 15 hours in my spare time. So what do I gain from YouTube? I put at least 195 hours of view time in the last 4 weeks available. So it says to me in my analytics that people have watched almost up to 200 hours worth of my channel. What have I gained from that? I don't gain anything from YouTube at the moment. I have another channel that I make some money from, but in this particular channel of mine, I do not make anything. So what my point is that there's many YouTubers. I'm going to go through a list of 20 of the top earners that I could find that are plumbing related channels. And how much they make, starting from the ones that earn the least to the most. And starting off is with myself in number 20, position number 20. Okay, so the commercial gas engineer. Then number 19, in 19th place, we have Andrew Millward. I've worked with Andrew in the past, and he's a really nice engineer. It says on here that's if he qualifies for AdSense, because in order to qualify for AdSense, you have to make at least, I think you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers in the last year and a certain amount of watch hours. I can't remember how many hours, but that's if the person applies for it. Some don't apply for any money from advertising put on their channel and so on. They're not bothered about it. Or also the income. Some YouTubers put the money towards charity and other things of that nature. So if this particular YouTuber, Andrew Millward, wanted to have adverts on his channel and earn from adverts on his channel, he could earn approximately £23 a month. Okay, moving into 18th place, Mr. Combi. He has the potential of making £31 a month. And I'm sure some of these YouTubers put in a lot of hours and their videos help a lot of people. So just reminding you, encourage them, send positive messages, encourage them to make their videos, and try to put as little discouraging messages as you can. Encourage these YouTubers and share their videos and so on, because they're doing a good service. Okay, and then we have in 17th place Plumb Like Tom. Plumb Like Tom is a really nice guy, and his channel is got the potential of earning £42 a month. Remember, some of these channels as well, you'll be taxed more the more you earn and so on. So I don't know how much they take home, but I know with another channel that I have, I make £20 a month and it's not taxed, because I think it hasn't gone over any sort of tax threshold. Okay, and then now into 16th place, we have the Mental Gasman 3T Gas Maintenance Limited. He has the potential of earning £43 a month. So I believe his channel earns roughly, if he claims for advertising money, £43 from AdSense. Okay, now moving down into 16th place, we've got Smart Pipe Plumbing. He has the potential of earning £44 a month. He may earn that much. It'd be nice to know from some YouTubers if they actually get that much. But when you see how many views some of these channels get and how much the industry these channels are encouraging and helping, I can't understand why certain YouTubers with potential like this do not get more. Because what do you get from it? I was asked the other day from my mum, why do you share your trade skills with people just like that? It's taking you years to gather. Why are you sharing your knowledge for free? What are you gaining from it? And I had to say, well, in teaching others or sharing my experience with others, I refresh my skills and learn as well at the same time. And also I have accountability. And also on top of accountability, I also sometimes learn certain things from some of my YouTubers' comments. Also, other than that, I can't really think of much else that I gain from it, but I do gain something. I enjoy making the videos as well. But really, I think the government or some other education schemes should put more money behind YouTubers that have the potential to train, because they are making a difference in the industry, I believe, and I don't think they get their due rewards. There's a lot of unsung heroes like Smart Pipe Plumbing. Okay, after Smart Pipe Plumbing, you have number 14, and that is Plumbing Doctors. So potentially £52 a month, the maximum, and they have going up to 4,000 subscribers. Okay, and then in 13th place, we have Clayton, Heaton and Plumbing, who could potentially earn £76 a month if he claims for AdSense. And also Hartley Heaton and Plumbing, £100 a month. And then Heat Geek, £141 a month. Almost 10,000 subscribers. Okay, Backseat Boilers, almost 2 million views and £152 a month. That's probably a group or the company that make that money rather than than one YouTuber. Urban Plumbers, £284 a month, over 1 million views. So they're helping out the industry. That is good. Tom Cat Gas Training. For me, I think this channel with 3.5 million views and how good these videos are and how much time I know go into these videos, they should be giving him a lot more than £472. They want to add an extra naught to that because this is invaluable information. And but it's a hobby and a love for the industry that he has. And then after him, we have MJ Tiff Plumbing. He's been this account was created about a year ago, so he is really killing it. £576 a month he could be making from this potentially, but probably there could be tax involved and different things. But £576 is a good amount of money for being on YouTube for 1 year. Okay, PB Plumber. We've got £629 a month. I thought this would have been higher because he's quite popular. His videos, you can see that a lot of editing, a lot of time, a lot of people spend money on cameras, like either a GoPro camera and tripods and whatnot, and they put time in. And sometimes you may even hire someone to do your thumbnails. You may hire someone to do different parts of your video in, or this or that. A lot of people can be involved sometimes. So I think that he should be rewarded accordingly. Okay, Alan Hart. Alan Hart, I know, does a lot of charity work. It's great for guys like this to really earn a good amount. His videos are great. A lot of time going into it. And look how much millions of views his videos get. Almost 22 million. Like, for me, this channel here should be they should be giving him 5-10 grand, in my opinion, YouTube every month. Anyways, swiftly moving on. Okay, now we've got Deriton here. Derriton is in, what place have we got Derriton in? In 4th place. And it's got 1,400. He's got plumbing videos. Wow. 76 million views. And 121,000 subscribers. And 1,400 a month. Okay. But it doesn't seem like much for how much this person is touching the industry. Okay. Into 3rd place. Plumber parts. £2,000 a month. 60 million views. This guy's videos have helped me in the past, and he has been around a while helping subscribers and viewers. Then in what place are we in now? Moving on into 2nd place, Stephen Lavin-Monier. I guess this is an American. He's in America, but nonetheless, some of you may have seen him. I see videos get published on this channel, and long videos every night almost. Like, he's pushing out videos, they're edited to a high standard. You can see time is put into this channel. 102 million views. Yeah, I think he deserves a minimum of that. He should be given more money than that, in my opinion. I think I'm going to go protesting for some of these YouTubers to get more, but that's still a good chunky amount of cash there. All right, now 1st place. Skill Builder. I know this particular person to have done plumbing videos before, but in these videos, he's been doing more various types of building. And that looks like, I'm not sure, I'd have to check with him myself if that's how much he earns, but that's a good amount of money. But look, another one that's like in the 71 million views category. That is a lot. So I go to some channels and I see a lot of unfair criticism, like someone will make a mistake in their video and then they get slated off, or all sorts of silly sort of trolling things where they get messages that are not to do with the video, just something that the person has said or not said. And I think people do not realize how much effort is put into YouTube videos, and I think that you should continue supporting the person that you watch or you're learning from, and give them some positive criticism. You've heard the saying, if you haven't got anything good to say, best not to say anything at all. All right, guys, until next time, please leave comments in the section below as to what you think that YouTubers are worth, the ones that are helping encourage good standards in the industry and teaching from their experience and putting their time in. You let me know what you think they deserve, if anything. Okay, until next time. Bye.